Hello guys, today we are gonna study a basic concept in general navigation, that is about the directions, the basic directions, and learn what is the basic directions on the earth. So we are gonna study about navigation. So what do you know about directions? So basically there are four directions as we have learned throughout our life, that is north, east, south and west. So how do we define them? So as we know, we live on the planet Earth. So I am representing here the planet Earth by a circle. Basically the shape of the Earth is an oblongate spheroid, or we also call it as geoid. Earth is not perfectly spherical. It has more mass in the southern hemisphere, less mass in the northern hemisphere. So, as to define the directions, which direction is north, east, west, and south, we have to have a datum. So, basically, if we draw a line from the north to the south of the earth, that is what we call as the polar axis. So, basically, the direction in which the earth spins is known as east. So that is the basis of all other directions, as we shall see. So the direction in which the earth rotates or spins, that is this direction, this is known as east. And the direction opposite to the direction of the earth's spin is known as west. So if you face towards the east, if suppose you are looking towards the east or on the direction from where the sun comes up in the morning, then towards your left side at 90 degrees would be the direction of north, and diametrically opposite or on your right side if you are facing the east will be the direction of south. So these north, east, south and west are also called as the cardinal points. I will write it down here. So that is the definition of cardinal points and basic directions. So from a very long time in history, we were navigating across the globe using ships, but nowadays we are doing it using aircrafts, and there is more precision required. So these four cardinal points were not sufficient to specify the directions. So between north and east at 45 degrees, we name a direction called northeast. Between east and south, bisecting the east and south, the direction is called southeast. Then between south and west, the direction is called southwest. And between north and west, the direction is called northwest. So these northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest are called quadrantal directions. So now we understand what are basic four cardinal points: north, east, south and west. And what are the four quadrantal directions, that is northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. But this was sufficient enough for navigating the ships. But nowadays we are flying aircrafts, so these all directions are also not sufficient for flying the aircrafts. So now we have adopted a more complex system, which is known as the sexagesimal system. in this system, we take the clockwise rotation from north to east to south to west and further north and represent it by 360 degrees of a circle. Let's draw the earth again. I'm just trying to draw it as round as I can. After all, earth is not a perfect sphere. So if we start from north that we defined earlier, so in the sexagesimal system, the north is represented as 360 or 000 degrees. So we begin from 000, then we go towards the east. So naturally this is about a right angle from here to here. So this is about 000 plus 90 degree. So the east is called as 090 degrees or east. Then further from east plus 90 degrees, we give that direction the name of south or 180 degrees. So it is all clockwise starting from the north. We go to the east 090, then further to the south, that is 180. Then further from south, we go again clockwise for 90 degrees. So west becomes 270 degrees west. And further from 270 to north, again a 90 degrees. So north again becomes 360 degrees or north. So that is how the sexagesimal system divides the direction from starting from north, going to east, going to south, and further towards the north into 360 different degrees. And so we have a more accurate way of giving the directions or the heading or setting our track to our destination. So this is what we use nowadays for flying the aircrafts. I hope that is clear. All the directions between these are divided into 1 degrees. So northeast would be 045 and so on. So all of these directions now are more precise, and that is how we have defined the basic directions to navigate around the planet Earth. Thank you for watching.